When it comes to making money online, 90% of the videos that you see on YouTube are complete nonsense. They might have eye-catching titles like how to make £1,000 a month taking pictures of clouds, and you'll click on the video as it seems like an easy way to make money, and then what you find out is it'll be some woman or man telling you to go around taking pictures of clouds with your phone and upload them as stock footage, and then they'll give you some BS story about how they're making £1,000 a month doing this. The truth is that a lot of these YouTubers actually make more money from talking about how to make money online than they do by actually implementing the strategies that they're talking about. I started making money about 20 years ago. I would take rare wrestling tapes, so VHS, transfer them onto DVDs and then sell them online. Don't worry, I'm not going to be talking about that in 2025 because this is a method that is pretty redundant now and it could also get you into some trouble. But what I will be talking about is what actually works for me in 2025. I'll tell you how much I'm making from it, I'll show you some proof, and I'll give you the pros and cons of each method. The first method that I'm going to talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is quite a simple business model and it's easy to explain. Basically, you have a service or a product or a business on this side, and then you have potential customers on this side. And what you want to do as an affiliate marketer is you want to be right here in the middle and you want to bridge the gap. And for bridging the gap and providing a service or a product with a customer, you will be paid a commission. I make around £500 a month from affiliate marketing through my blog Smart Sports Trader and also here on YouTube. So I'll put some proof up on the screen here so that you know that I'm not talking nonsense. When it comes to affiliate marketing, I see two main ways of promoting it. So I'd say one is black hat and one is white hat, or one is the light side and one is the dark side if you're a Star Wars fan. So if we talk about the light side or white hat, I'd say you find a product which you use yourself, which is good, which you know adds value, and then you find the affiliate program for that, and then you also find a decent deal, so you can approach the affiliate program and you can try and get like an extended free trial or perhaps like a 10% discount, something that is going to be positive for your audience, and then you promote it to your audience. Now the thing with white hat or the light side style of promoting affiliate products is that it will take time and you need to build an audience. Moving on to black hat affiliate marketing. So when it comes to black hat affiliate marketing, it's a little bit different. People will tend to sell any old rubbish. They don't care if it adds value or if they use it themselves. They're just looking to try and make money. So most of the time they will use paid advertisement. So because they're selling rubbish, they don't have much of a long-term following. They don't have much of an audience themselves. So they need to pay to get the traffic. So for example, they'll use Google ads, YouTube ads, advertorials, which are like fake newspaper articles, which they put on news sites to trick people into buying products. And then they will target people's pain points. So they might have some kind of miracle weight loss pill or something like this, which they will sell. And generally, it's just quite a scummy method of affiliate marketing. So white hat affiliate marketing is better in my opinion, as it allows you to build an audience yourself and you build trust in your own brand by promoting good products. If you're saying, you know, this product works, it's really good, it offers value, and then people use it and they see that themselves, they're then more likely to buy another product that you recommend in the future. And at the end of the day, you can just go to sleep as well, knowing that you're not a shitty human being flogging, you know, miracle weight loss pills that don't work. Alright, let's break down the pros and cons of affiliate marketing then. So one of the big pros of affiliate marketing is that you don't need any capital at all to start. You can start with nothing, you don't have to invest money into it. All you need is some kind of platform to reach an audience. So that can be through social media, it can be through a blog, it can be through forums. That is all you need to get started. The second big pro of affiliate marketing is that it's very flexible, so you can do this whenever. You can do it before work, after work, you can do it at the weekends. It's completely up to you with affiliate marketing. And another big pro of affiliate marketing, number 3, is that there are endless affiliate marketing programs for whatever. So whatever your interests are, if you're interested in drones, there's affiliate marketing products for it. If you're interested in gambling, advantage gambling like I am, there's plenty of affiliate marketing programs. So whichever niche you're in or whatever your interests are, there is bound to be an affiliate program for something that you are using or something that you want to use. And perhaps the biggest pro of affiliate marketing is that once you have got it running, it is completely passive. So there are many services which will pay you a commission on subscriptions. So subscriptions will obviously go on month after month and you will keep getting 30%, 50% of whatever that customer is paying, and this becomes a completely passive income. Alright, so let's go over some of the cons then. So the first con of affiliate marketing is that you need an audience and you need the right audience. For example, I'm into advantage gambling, match betting, taking advantage of casino offers, things like that. And if I didn't have my blog and this YouTube channel, then I would have a very small audience for this. I could tell my friends about match betting, try and get them involved and get them to sign up. But again, it would be very limited. I might be able to get 3 or 4 people. So you do need to build some kind of content which then enables you to send traffic, which is the right type of traffic, to the right product. One of the other drawbacks of affiliate marketing is there will be times when there will be like poor cookie tracking and you will lose sales. So perhaps you have referred somebody over to a website or software, and for some reason the cookie's been deleted, or they've used incognito mode, or just something's happened and you'll lose that sale. And that never really balances out, because you will lose sales but you will never gain sales that you didn't make. So in that respect, that's one big drawback to affiliate marketing. Probably the biggest con of affiliate marketing is that companies are able to change the terms of their affiliate agreements willy-nilly. So willy-nilly, I think, is an English term. I think it comes from England, but it basically means they can do whatever they want at whatever time. So I'll give you an example. I used to promote a service which was good. It was a good service. It would show you how to take advantage of casino offers using a mathematical strategy. So when they would offer bonuses, there was ways that you could take advantage of it, and in the long term you would make money. So I created content and put a bit of time into this, and I was doing quite well. I was making about £200 a month from their affiliate program. And then one day they just decided to change the terms and conditions. So, I clicked in one day, saw that, I had to accept it. I didn't read it because obviously it's pages and pages full. And then the next day they just closed the affiliate program completely, and they decided not to pay me for like 2 months worth of commissions. And that can happen. And when that happens, there's not really a lot you can do about it. I'm sure maybe you could look at hiring a lawyer and going through the courts and stuff, but at the end of the day, they're just able to make those decisions. Next up, I want to talk about freelance writing. So freelance writing is pretty self-explanatory. People will pay you to write for them. This can be writing content on their website. This could be writing on their forums and moderating forums. It can be writing for people's social media pages. There are tons of jobs which are to do with writing online. I make around £500 a month from writing online for other websites, so it is all related to sports betting, and I got started by having my own blog, writing my own content, and then I got approached by people asking if I would like to write for them. But you can get started in multiple different ways. There are like freelancer sites that you can join, such as Fiverr, where you can offer your services, and that enables you to build up a portfolio. You can go on forums. There's a website called Medium which will pay you to write. So there are multiple different ways to get started writing and making money online. So let's go over the pros and cons of writing online to make an extra income. So one of the pros I would say is that there are still lots and lots of opportunities to write online. Now I know people will argue this in the comments, and some people will say that AI has killed a lot of writing jobs, and I do think that AI has got rid of a lot of writing jobs, but I think that is more of the kind of generalist writer, the person that would write, fairly good content basically about anything. They could write about gardening, pets, whatever. I think it has killed that. I think it has killed those writing jobs off. However, if you're more of a specialist or you're an expert in a subject, I do think AI is actually a benefit, as it can help you write more effectively and more efficiently. Another pro of writing, similar to affiliate marketing, is that it is flexible. So I work full time, but I'll still take on writing jobs, and that works really well for me. Just on my days off or when I finish work, I'll spend a few hours writing. And I can also, another good thing with freelance writing is that I can kind of pick and choose the writing jobs that I want to take as well. So if I don't have enough time, I can say, oh, sorry, I can't do this for you. Maybe I can do it next week if you don't need it straight away. So it is very flexible in those regards. Probably the biggest pro of writing online is that it can be very lucrative if you get with the right company. So the most I've ever been paid for an article was £250, and that was for a big trading website which wanted to start getting into sports trading. So they asked me to write an article for them, and it took me about 3 hours. So that was probably the best kind of return I've ever had on my time. When it comes to any of the side hustles that I've done online, the only thing that would probably match it was in the early days of match betting and casino offers, where you could make a couple of £100 an hour if you were absolutely hammering all the offers. Alright, so let's move over to what are the cons of writing online to try and make an income. So one of the biggest ones is that it's going to take time. You need to build up your own portfolio. Nobody's going to hire you if you don't have any proof of concept, if you can't show them that you have done writing and good writing beforehand. So that means you're either going to have to write for free initially, or you're going to have to go on like a site like Fiverr and offer your services for a very low amount, just in order to get some examples and build up that portfolio. So yeah, this will take time. Other cons of writing online are that it is quite competitive. There are a lot of people that are trying to get writing jobs and make money from it, and you do need to stay on top of what is going on with AI and learn how to utilize AI for your own writing to make you a better writer and not let AI replace you. Lastly, I wanted to cover this YouTube channel. So I make around £100 to £150 a month from ad revenue for this YouTube channel, but I also make money through affiliate links. So I have affiliate links in the description of some of my videos, which I've talked about earlier, which I make around £500 a month from combined. So that's across my website and this YouTube channel. But I've also landed writing jobs from this YouTube channel, and I've also had sponsorships as well. So yeah, I look at the kind of the baseline money that I'll make from YouTube every month. The minimum is always going to be the ad revenue, but there are other benefits as well. Alright, so what are the pros of making money on YouTube or having a YouTube channel? Well, one of the biggest is once you get monetized, that's a passive income. So ad revenue you're going to get every single month, and you don't need to do a lot to continue to get that other than just continue to make a couple of videos every month. Probably the biggest pro of YouTube is that it allows you to build a brand and build trust with your audience. I don't think there's any better way to do that online, and a good example of that, even though I don't like these guys, they seem kind of like knobheads, is in KSI and the Paul brothers. They've built these huge brands. Obviously they sell Prime, and they've done very, very well, and it all started from YouTube. So in that respect, I do think that YouTube is an excellent vehicle for building a really good brand. The other big pros are that you can reach a really big audience. The audience for YouTube is huge, and if you get good at it and you can start to get some momentum, it's really scalable and you can make a lot of money through ad revenue. In terms of cons, it's going to take most people quite a bit of time before they get monetized. So I think on average it's like over a year for the majority of people. For me, between like my first video that I put out, I think I put just one random video out in like 2018, and then I got monetized in 2023, I believe. Although I wasn't consistently uploading, it just shows that it took a long period of time before I was monetized myself. But yeah, I know on average it takes people like at least over a year, and that's if they're consistently putting out videos. Probably the hardest thing about YouTube is it requires multiple skills, so you have to be comfortable speaking on camera unless you're going to do a faceless video. You have to be able to write some kind of script. It doesn't have to be super in depth, but you still have to be able to format it so that you know what you're doing. You need to be able to edit the video unless you want someone to, well, unless you want to pay for someone to edit your video, which is usually very expensive. You've got to be able to design a thumbnail and write a title. And overall, yeah, it is just quite difficult, and it takes a lot of time to put everything together to actually make a half decent YouTube video. So white hat affiliate marketing is better in my opinion, as it allows you to build a brand and people, your audience. Alright, so that covers 3 of the methods that I use to make money online. So this is alongside working full time. I work 48 hours a week, and I also do sports betting to generate an extra tax-free income. But I just wanted to show what really works for me in 2025 and what could work for you. So if you do have any questions about it, please feel free to leave them in the comments, or you can email me and I'll give you the best advice that I can. Other than that, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, as that enables me to make more videos in the future.